Unboxing and installing Maxpeedingrods Street Performance T6 coilovers for 2007 Subaru WRX. Front coilover, identifiable by the adjustable camber top plates. Rear coilover. Spring perch wrenches, hex key, and your instruction manual. Tools required for this install: 3/8 electric ratcheting wrench, 1/2-inch electric impact, 1/2-inch torque wrench, a breaker bar, 32mm socket, 13mm socket, 22mm socket, 17mm socket, 19mm socket, and a 12mm socket. Set of adjustable pliers, flathead screwdriver, 1/2-inch breaker, 19mm open-ended wrench, 3/8 ratcheting wrench, hammer, and an awl. On the ground, use a 17mm socket to break loose the lug nuts. Open the hood. Lift the vehicle and then finish removing the wheels. Use a 12mm socket to remove the ABS line mounting bolt. Use a 12mm socket to remove the brake hose mounting bolt. Then use a 19mm socket and 19mm end wrench to remove the strut knuckle bolt. Lower the vehicle. Using a 12mm socket, remove the strut top mount nut. Remove the old strut. Install your new coilover. Use 13mm socket to tighten the top plate nuts. The camber plate adjustment should be perpendicular to the car for correct install. 40 Nm or 30 foot-pounds with a 13mm socket, torque the coilover top mount nuts. Insert into the knuckle. Use a 19mm socket and a 19mm end wrench to install the knuckle bolts. Now torque those nuts and bolts to 150 Nm or 110 foot-pounds with a 19mm socket and 19mm wrench. Reinstall the ABS line, tighten with a 12mm socket, install the brake hose and tighten with a 12mm socket. Onto the rear of the vehicle, use a 17mm socket to remove the lug nuts. Remove your wheel. Use pliers to remove the brake hose retaining clip. Use 19mm socket and 19mm end wrench to remove the strut knuckle bolt. Use a 32mm socket to remove the axle nut. Use a 19mm wrench with the 19mm socket to remove the lower control arm. Use a 12mm socket to remove the seat mounting bolt. Remove the seat cushions. Use a 12mm socket, remove the seat backs. Use a 12mm socket to remove the top mount for the old struts. Remove the old strut and install your new rear coilover. Thread nuts into the top plates, tighten with a 12mm socket, and torque to 40 Nm or 30 foot-pounds. Slide the new coilover into place and reinstall the knuckle bolt. Position and reinstall the lower arm. Reinstall the axle nut. Use a 19mm socket and a 19mm end wrench to install the knuckle bolts. Install the brake hose clip, 150 Nm or 110 foot-pounds for the knuckle bolts. Lower the vehicle and install the rear wheel. After hand starting your lugs, use a 17mm socket to secure the wheel lug nuts. Install the front wheel. 150 Nm or 110 foot-pounds, tighten the wheel lug nuts. This is the same for the front and the back. Install the seat backrest. Install the rear seat cushions and 12mm socket to tighten those bolts.